Hey there, finance enthusiasts! Are you ready for some thrilling news that could shake up the financial world? Well, get your seatbelts fastened because 2024 might just be the year for Fintech IPOs, and we've got the inside scoop. F-Prime Capital's State of Fintech 2024 report has dropped some major hints, and it's time to dive deep into what the future holds for some of the biggest players in the industry. Let's kick things off with some big names that could be making headlines with their IPO plans. First up, we have Apex, the stock trade clearance firm that's eyeing a direct SEC filing after its previous attempt via SPAC didn't quite pan out. Then there's Stripe, the payments giant that's been making waves with its massive funding rounds and strategic acquisitions. Will it finally take the plunge into the public market after setting a 12-month deadline for itself? And what about Klarna, the Swedish fintech sensation that's been teasing an IPO for some time now? With positive revenue growth and plans for restructuring, could this be the year it makes its debut? LendBuzz is also making moves, with reports suggesting an IPO that could value the company at over $2 billion. As for Chime, rumors are swirling about its potential market entry, despite setbacks and layoffs in recent months. But wait, there's more. Plaid, Rippling, Gusto, Deal, Brex, Ramp, Nathan, the list goes on. These companies are all vying for a piece of the IPO pie in the highly competitive fintech landscape. From HR tech to spend management, each player is gearing up for its moment in the spotlight, with eyes set on the public market and the opportunities it brings. The stage is set for a fintech frenzy in 2024, with a lineup of potential IPOs that could reshape the industry as we know it. As these companies navigate the complexities of going public, investors and enthusiasts alike are eagerly awaiting their next moves. Will they soar to new heights or face unforeseen challenges along the way? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, the world of finance is in for an exciting ride. What are your thoughts on the potential fintech IPOs of 2024? Are you rooting for any particular company to make its debut? Let us know in the comments below, and join us for more updates on the ever-evolving world of finance. Until next time, happy investing! Chart increasing briefcase.